10 amazing facts about flies. 1. Incredible vision. Flies have compound eyes that provide them with a wide field of view, allowing them to detect movement in almost every direction. 2. Super-fast reflexes. Flies are equipped with lightning-fast reflexes. They can take off in just a fraction of a second, making it difficult for predators to catch them. 3. 360-degree field of view. Due to their unique eye structure, flies can see behind them without turning their heads, providing them with a full 360-degree field of view. 4. Remarkable flight maneuvers. Flies are skilled flyers, capable of intricate aerial maneuvers. They can hover, fly backward, and make quick turns with impressive agility. 5. Extraordinary taste buds. Flies taste with their feet. They have taste receptors on their tarsi, the end segments of their legs, allowing them to sample food by walking on it. 6. Fast reproduction. Flies are prolific reproducers. Under optimal conditions, a pair of flies can produce millions of offspring in just a matter of weeks. 7. Efficient pollinators. Some fly species play a crucial role in pollination, aiding in the reproduction of various plants and flowers. 8. Eco-friendly decomposers. Flies are nature's recyclers. They contribute to the decomposition process by breaking down and consuming organic matter. 9. Impressive lifespan. The lifespan of a typical housefly is relatively short, usually around 15 to 30 days. However, they make the most of their time, exhibiting rapid growth and development. 10. Extraordinary sensory abilities. Flies possess a highly developed sense of smell, enabling them to detect odors from significant distances. This sensory prowess aids them in finding food sources and potential mates.